Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be opening up my new December subscription box from Archer and Olive. I'm so excited because I haven't really seen any spoilers, just a general kind of overview of the colors and stuff. I didn't dive deep, so I can't wait to see what's in here. It's a really big box. Like, look how big it is. I don't know if you can tell. It's much bigger than their other ones. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside and my first reactions, keep watching. Okay, I'm going to start off this video by giving you a disclaimer. They are doing construction on the basement, and it's actually Saturday morning, and I was really hoping to film today because during the week it's just too hard with the construction, and of course they came today. So I hope you can deal with a little construction noise in the background. If it gets too bad, I will shut off the camera. In this box, like, I opened up the outside box, and this came separate in like a little envelope. So I don't know if they forgot it on mine or if that happened to everyone, but this came separately. And look how cute that little bunny is. Oh my gosh. That's why I got this box, I think, was the bunny. The bunny sold me, you guys. But it looks like we've got some metallic pencils here. Ooh. So they are colored pencils. You guys know I love colored pencils, right? These ones are really pretty. So here are the colors. Beautiful. Let's write with them for a second and just see what they look like. Let me get a piece of paper. Look at the purple. Ooh. We have like a silver and a blue and a green and then like a teal. These are the exact colors you would think, and that's what's good about Archer and Olive. It seems that whenever the color appears on the thing, it actually is the color. At least that's the way it is with the acrylograph pens. Like, there's no guesswork here. That is what you see on here. So very, very cool colored pencils. Now let's dig inside this box and see what's here. It's so big that I can barely open it and still have it be under the camera. So my only complaint about Archer and Olive subscription boxes is they typically come with this stuff. I don't like this. It gets everywhere. It's like, you know, my kids' Easter baskets when they were little. Like, no Archer and Olive. Give me something that's not this, but that's okay. It is cute, you know. It's just a little messy. It's not like glitter or anything, but you know. Okay, so let's see. Let me just take this aside and we'll show you one by one because I can't do it otherwise. Okay, that a little bit got on there. So we have an Archer and Olive sticky notepad, and it is black paper, and there's sticky notes. Oh my gosh, they're cute. They're so cute. Let me see if the pencils work on them. I don't know. Hello. Not really. But there might be something else in this box that does. Just saying. Okay, so we have two designs. We have this one and then the bear. Oh, the designs are so pretty and like kind of magical, right? It's kind of like storybook, magical. I don't know exactly if this box has a name, what it's called, but we might find out more inside the box. So let's see what else is here. Like I said, I thought there was going to be something to write on this with. Let's check these out and write on it. Okay. So we have some gel pens. It says white gel pens, so they may all be white. I don't know. Why can't I get this open though? Okay, let's see. So here's the colors. I guess they're not all white, but we have two white anyway, and they come attached to this so that they're together. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so we have this blue. I love like gel pens that you can write on black paper with. Whoops, I wrote blue again. This is not blue, this is green, Mary Ellen. Green. And this is like a turquoise. And the thing I love about these boxes by them, the subscription boxes, is like everything coordinates and all the colors kind of match, and it's just really cute. You know, it all kind of coordinates together. Here's pink. I like that they give us 2 white pens because we obviously use white more than other colors. So there's your white. All right, I'm gonna take this off. Anyway, these are really cute. They write pretty smoothly, and I'll add them to my gel pen collection. Okay. By the way, as of the filming of this, I actually checked, and there are still some of these boxes available. You can subscribe. You have to just whoa, it's early in the morning. Excuse me. You have to subscribe to get the box, but you don't have to keep subscribing. So you subscribe, you can keep the first box that you want, and then you can cancel if you don't want to get more boxes. If you don't cancel, you will be charged for the quarterly boxes. I would recommend getting them anyway because they're always such a fantastic value. Like, you get so much for your money in these boxes. So they cost, I think it's $70, and yeah, I love them. I've been getting them for all this past year, and this is the first one I actually paid for myself because Archer and Olive used to send them to me since I was part of the Brand Delight ambassador team, but my time on that ended, so now I do pay for it. But still worth it. What's this? Looks like maybe a stencil. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. This is a stencil for like a functional box situation here. Okay, so let's see. Let me get a pen and I'll show you it. You can probably tell, you know, what it is from looking at it, but I'm gonna do it anyway because, you know, that's how I roll. We're just gonna do this. I won't do both of those. They're the same, but you'll see. These are really cute. So you've got your little boxes there. I think they're adorable. You could be like, to do, and then blah, 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 you know, cute. Okay, and this is like a nice metal stencil. It's not like flimsy plastic that's gonna move around. Like, this is actually like, this will hurt somebody. This is sharp, like a weapon, like jam them. Sorry. I'm just being silly. I'm not talking to jam. I'm not telling you to jam people with this. I'm just saying this is sharp, like, and sturdy, you know? So, and when I say jam people, I mean like somebody breaking into your house that's like attacking your dog or something. Jam them. All right. This video is getting off track. Okay. Next we have, oh my gosh, a cute sticker pack. Stickers, we love stickers. Okay, so we have 2 designs, this and this, and let me just show you this one first. Oh my goodness, like how cute, how freaking cute. Each of these animals has like the little Archer and Olive like leaves on them, you know what I mean? The colors are really pretty. We have a little deer and a bear and a fox. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And look at this, it's like a little mountain scene. And these have like a black outline, but this one's like that shape, you know? Oh my gosh, just adorable. And then here, sorry for the noise, we have more functional, you know, stickers. My mantra, something I'm doing for me, brain dump. So this seems like a very like mental health, you know, self-care kind of sticker pack. And evaluate, to do, remember, ideas, goals, creative spark, my why. The colors are just beautiful. You have these little numbers you can cover your numbers with. So really, really cute. You get 2 of each. And I like Archer and Olive sticker quality, so that's good. Next up. Whoops. It's a sealed envelope, you guys. A sealed envelope with that wax seal. I love it. What does it say? Nothing on the front. This is the front. All right. Let's see. It's a surprise. Oh my goodness. Look at these. That is so cool. January, February, whoops, March. These are beautiful. April. Look at them. Oh, so cute. May and June. Look at June. Look at the bears in June. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with these. All right. So you can do anything you want with these. You can like glue them right onto your pages, I think, you know. Okay, so it looks like these are made to go into a B5 notebook. This is a B5 size, which is like, it's like almost 10 by 7. And what you're gonna do is just glue it onto that page. And look, you can see the white behind it. I think that's adorable, you guys. It's so pretty. I love that so much. So you can take it and you can put your months in, you know what I mean, ahead of time, or you can wait and put them in when you put them in. Anyway, really cute. Now we have something big here. That's why the box was so big. We have this. Look at this. So this is a journal bag. I've never seen a journal bag before. We have the cute animals on the front. Look at this. This zipper pull that's like the fringe, and you can take this off and use it like as a keychain. It comes off, so it's gold there. I'm gonna take this out. Okay, let's check this out. So it looks like this will fit a B5, I think. Yes, but I think it would fit like a smaller one as well. Obviously not a bigger one, but and it has 2 pockets here. Right, this and this, and then we have pockets for pens and stickers or whatever. And then that's what the back looks like. There's also a pocket here, and then it has a little handle to carry around. I think that's really cute. So if you're somebody who, you know, takes your notebooks on the go, this is a really good idea. And you may even be able to fit, you could fit a couple of notebooks in there too. That's really cute. So it's a little carrying case for your notebooks. Your journals. Okay, there's one more thing in here. Then it looks like a Blackout book. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me see this. I'm so excited. This box is so pretty with the, like, oh my gosh, the bunny. So basically just design-wise, all the things in these subscription boxes match. Like, unbelievable. By the way, I do have an affiliate link that I will put down below. You can't use my 10% off code on subscription boxes, unfortunately. It doesn't work for subscription boxes or mystery boxes, but it will work for everything else. And so, but I will put a link down there, and every little bit helps, you guys. So if you're gonna order a subscription box, I'd really appreciate it if you'd use my link. That helps me out so much more than you know. So thank you for that. Let's check out this notebook. Are you kidding me? Look at this book. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't. Look how pretty this is. Seriously, this is gorgeous. It looks like mine got a little bit of a, I don't know what this is here. This might pick off. I don't know. I think I got a dud, you guys. I got a little, that's never happened to me, by the way, ever with Art Journal of stuff. So don't worry, yours won't have that. It's just my unfortunate luck that I got a little like piece of something on there. Oh well, maybe I can get it off. Anyway, this is a Blackout notebook, and this cover, it's very textured. You can feel so good, and it's like this deep purple color with the gold bunny. Oh my goodness, this is like luxurious. Ooh, so we've got the gold edges there. Look at that. I can't, it's so pretty. Obviously, you've got your, you know, pen loop here and your purple elastic. And then I love the Blackout notebooks. Oh, so classy and pretty, and I love the gold on the outside. Look at that. So this is, I think, a B5 size as well. Let me just compare it to my other one here. Okay, so I actually haven't seen this size before. This is the biggest one that I have, and this is like a little bit smaller than this one. And then the B5 is a little bit smaller than that. So you can kind of see, I don't know if it's a size they've made before, but I haven't seen it. But I am sort of new to the company this year, so maybe I'm just missing something. This is a little thinner than most of the notebooks. I almost kind of like that. I kind of like the feel of it a little bit thinner. This has, it looks like 40 dot grid pages instead of like, I forget what they usually are, but this is definitely less, but it's minimal. I kind of like it like that. Oh wait, what happened? Oh no, I twisted this. I was gonna say, it's gone, but I twisted it. Okay, so there you have it. That's everything in the box. I think this is really, really, really cool box. And like I said, I'm never disappointed with anything that they send to me or that I buy in this case, because the quality of our Charn Olive is just, I don't know, it's kind of, I can't find it anywhere else. Let's put it that way. Not with bullet journal brands anyway. So I hope this video was helpful and that you liked this box. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.